Frank is ready. He slides into position under the car, loosens the drain plug. He's turning. Oh, here comes the oil, and fumble! The drain plug's dropped into the pan. Frank's reaching. He can't see. The oil's all over, and he's checking, and it's Frank's drain plug! Frank retains possession!
Here's to the Vikings fans who live it every day. Show your horns. Get tickets at Vikings.com.